Hi.
Hi, okay, I'm Taza from CLT. We're a manufacturer for the LED wall, and this is our 8K MIP screen. You can see
8K.
this.
How big is the screen?
It's 6 meters.
6 meters wide and pretty,
Yeah,
pretty
yeah.
tall.
About 5 meters, 45.
All right. So
4.5.
this is 0.7 dot pitch.
Yeah. It's 0.7.
What's the quality?
The quality? You mean
It's
the
a very high quality.
you mean the technology? It's MIP, micro EM package.
It's the most advanced
Yes, exactly.
in the whole industry.
Yes, we're focusing on the smaller pixel pitch now. So it's our super new product.
If I want this, how much I need to pay? I'm
How
joking,
much
but it's not possible to say.
Well,
Is it?
I must say it's expensive.
But maybe not too. I don't know.
Yeah?
Like more than $1 million.
Oh, no.
We'll see. Okay, hopefully it's. And what else is here? The booth. This is like 4K.
It's our 4K MIP for the all-in-one type. And we're the first manufacturer to do this in this industry.
First,
Yeah, we are the first one.
135 inch.
Yeah.
How's the quality of this one?
This quality, very good. You can see the very wide color gamut. Very colorful thing.
If I want this at home, it's cost more than 135K.
You
Or you cannot say.
We could do the customization for all our all-in-one type.
And it says here MIP 4K.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
And it go up and down, different size.
It's liftable and foldable.
And how to ship it? How to
How
build
to
it?
ship it? You could
How
just
to assemble it?
you just put it, just do the fold.
You fold one way there.
You fold and let it down and just pull it into the fly case.
You put an elevator.
Yeah. You can see here.
Wow. So you just folded it, but I don't see anything. It's impossible to see. You see?
You
Like
see,
there.
it's seamless.
Let's wait for an image that cover here. I just want to see a bigger flower.
Okay.
1 second. Or something that changes. Because here it's just dark, so it's hard to see. Okay, there. Let's try to close it up.
Oh.
Yeah. Boom, it disappears.
Yeah,
So cool.
Exactly.
All right. I'm sorry. And so what else you want to show here? What is this over there?
This is our new product here. This is the MQPU, the liftable and foldable, I would say, poster. Yeah.
Nice. And here it's actually interesting. He can just take the panels off, and they're on the floor.
Yes.
It's the end of the show right now. So you're actually
Yeah.
packing away everything.
Yes.
And here is transparent
It's
display.
our holographic transparent poster.
Nice. And what is this one?
This is our X Poster Ultra. It's the kind of foldable poster.
Can you show
could be
how you
fold.
put it closer together, or is it already
Yes.
the maximum?
It's already connected together, and we're leaving a little gap here to show customers how they would be show, because we have two systems. We have the Nova Star systems, and we have our own system, and this is our own system. So you could do the wireless connection together.
So just piece by piece, five
Yeah.
pieces,
You
one
can see,
screen.
You can see here, behind it, is the wireless, and you don't need the HDMI cable.
So that's just 5 different power.
Yeah, it's the 5 different power, and actually
Is over
we
the
could do
network. Is by how do you connect the content?
contents.
One cable.
Yes, one cable.
All right.
And actually, 6 pics of this could form a 2K screen.
Nice. And is this 8K display here?
Yeah.
Does it support HDMI 2.1,
No.
2.2?
You mean HD?
As a source, you can just connect the HDMI. It goes to 8K.
Yes. You mean put the HDMI to put the 8K?
No, I just wonder. Like there's a driving unit, right? What's the engine that drives this display? What is the CPU?
We have a computer inside.
It's like a Novastar.
Yes,
Novastar maybe.
we have a processor, and you could do
Yeah.
the computer to do the content.
And this one here I see is just HDMI 2.0. HDMI plug. You connect and you have 4K.
Yeah.
Directly on the
exactly.
screen.
You mean the content? Yeah.
Cool. And are you based in Shenzhen?
Yes, we're based in Shenzhen, and our factory is in Guizhou.
And how big is your market share?
Market
Are
share.
you like one of the top 10 or?
Oh, we're not that high now, but I think we're the best manufacturer in the all-in-one and the poster industry.
So in quality, you're number one.
Yeah, quality and the selling top.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.